Hi, it's Kozue. I went to a ChocoZAP to do my nails for the first time in this video. But it didn't go very well. Then I got some advice from my viewer. And I did more research on the internet. I'm gonna try ChocoZAP nail again. I went to another location of ChocoZAP today. ChocoZAP is a gym. They have some booths where you can do your nails, hair removal, facials and stuff. This is a nail booth. Each ChocoZAP location has different furniture. As I expected, the table isn't very clean. And the nail printer isn't really clean either. Disinfectant and paper towel is everywhere at the ChocoZAP, so I'm gonna make most of it. Black stains don't come off. I'm more worried about the gel from the previous users. The spot I want to clean the most is inside of the printer. I'm gonna be doing my nails with this front panel open all the way. This is where you put your finger. Ink is sprayed here, so it gets really dirty. Yeah, it should be clean, but it's actually cleaner than the one I used before. I saw somebody take off this plate from the machine, but it doesn't come off. I wanted to clean the plate. Never mind, I'll just clean like this. Oh, it's a good thing that I cleaned. After using this machine, you are supposed to plug it out. But it's already plugged in, so I just turn it on. Oh yes, I need to clean the gel bottles as well. This pre-coat gel helps printer ink stay on your nail. There might be gel on the bottles, so I need to clean them before I use them. Cleaning your nail tools is something you do not only at ChocoZAP but at your place. You might develop allergies by constantly touching gel on gel bottles, tweezers, brushes, and stuff. I tried this design in the previous video and I want to try it again. I prepared my nail at home. I applied peel-off base coat, then white gel twice, and finished with matte coat. My viewer told me sometimes matte coat works better than pre-coat ChocoZAP provide. Well, I tried. It looks much better than before, but still, the color didn't come out really well, so I'm gonna use pre-coat. I'm painting pre-coat on the middle finger. I'm being careful not to let the gel touch my skin. I'm gonna cure for 1 minute. Whoops, excuse me, I don't mean to, give the middle finger. I just wanted to cure pre-coat on the middle finger. This lamp turns off after 30 seconds automatically. You need to cure it for 1 minute, so I'm doing another round. I'm gonna print this. I'm choosing the darkness to the left. This is the darkest. I zoomed the design. I put my finger there and pressed it down until I hear the clicking sound. I heard that the nail should be really close to the ink nozzle, but it was rather difficult to lift my finger a little bit and be stable at the same time. I used a paper towel I brought from my house. Oh, it's really comfortable and stable. But of course your nail shouldn't hit the nozzle. So keeping your nail at the right height is really important and difficult. Oh. You can't see really well, but it's a success. Now I remember one thing from a YouTube video. It's another tip for ChocoZAP nail. Keep the nail right there and print it again. Okay, how did it go? Oh wow! Nice! Finally, I can see the roses clearly. I was very happy for about 10 seconds and then I ruined it. I hate myself being so careless. I'm gonna redo my index finger and thumb. I'm cleaning them with disinfectant. I'm gonna paint pre-coat and cure and print again. The first printing. Stay put. And the second printing. My vision got suddenly blurry. No. Obviously, I moved my thumb. Okay, printing twice is not the best idea. It's super difficult. I got lucky for the index finger. Now I'm gonna print just once. Done. It's not bad. Of course, the double printed design looks so clear, but it's pretty difficult to do that, so I would do single printing. I'm gonna finish the nail art with ChocoZAP's top coat gel. It's a little runny texture. There wasn't any heat spike. I applied top coat to the 3 nails. The index finger's design is supposed to be gradient. I think gradation art is difficult with a printer. You can kind of see some lines from the nozzle. So I would avoid gradient art at the ChocoZAP. Partial designs like this is perfect at ChocoZAP. Okay, next. This is air dry foil glue from Temu. This is for those who have allergies and who don't want to use gel for their nails. I'm gonna dry this for a few minutes and print on it. When you try to lift your finger in the machine, you sometimes get a message like this. Your nail is above the line. Lower your nail. Even when you get this message, you can still print by tapping Start Print. And again, I got a warning like this, but you can go ahead by tapping this. I missed the tip, and the color didn't come out really well. Still, I was able to print something on foil glue. I'm gonna try the same method on the pinky. This time, a letter K, as in Kozue. There are some letter designs available in this machine. It looks good. Although I see some dotty lines, it's good enough. Yeah, it went really well. I'm gonna use lacquer top coat. No smudge, please. Good, it doesn't smudge. Yay! Now I'm home. So this is a nail art I got today at the ChocoZAP. It's not bad, is it? I left the art like this for a few days. This is a wrap-up of today's video. It's a good idea to prepare as much as possible at home before going to a ChocoZAP. Use opaque white gel nail or nail polish. This helps print colors come out really well. Clean the desk and the printer really well. The lamp goes off after 30 seconds. Be sure to cure for 1 minute. Make it as dark as possible or choose the highest density. Remove the front panel so that you can see what's happening. Place your nail close to the ink nozzle as much as possible. These are tips for doing ChocoZAP nail. But actually, I'm going to cancel my membership with ChocoZAP. It's not that I hate ChocoZAP, but I got more interested in doing machine Pilates. I have a few more weeks contract with ChocoZAP, so if you guys want me to do something at ChocoZAP, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!